contemplating eating $4 and $1 bills that was just in my butt crack. I'm sure it has ass hair on it.
Ew.
And Dan's gonna eat it because he wants that money so bad. The whole, every little bit has to go in your mouth. Every bit.
Every bit.
Every bit of it.
All of it?
It's going on YouTube.
Oh, my eyes.
Josh Zaring will see this.
What are you gonna do, Jack?
Dude, my butt is sweaty. Eat it, Dan. Come on, $4. How bad do you want that $4, Dan?
What?
Eat it. What? Yeah, what? You ain't got the $4. Yeah, Carson's there. He'll eat it. What do you got, Dan? No.
Don't you dare.
No.
Don't you dare.
Get 15 seconds
Come on.
before your decision's made.
Yeah, I heard
10.
the video's gonna stop.
9.
No, this thing will go on forever, but I'm giving it a time limit.
Mine don't.
5, 4, 3. Oh my God! He ate that! It was in my ass crack, dude! Are you kidding me? Oh my God! Andrew's over there puking! It was in my ass crack! Oh! No! Seriously! What the? What do you got to say for yourself? Oh, you won it again!
Oh my God.
Oh.
And I'm not cooking.
Oh.
That was the
Dude,
best
you're not invited over to the house tomorrow.
I know, you're right. I got to keep it.
You earned that $4. $4, Dan Klasky.
What did you do, Dan? Tell us
What you just did, so it can be on YouTube. Tell us what you just did. It probably still smells like my ass. Oh yeah, it smells like my ass. Tell us what you just did. Tell us.
What did you just do?
Come on, Dan.
You won $4?
Tell us, Dan. How'd you win that $4?
Bacon, baby, bacon.
How did you win that $4?
Put that up to your...
He did it again. He likes my ass.
Oh, my God. Turn around when you smell it.
You smell my ass? I'll give you $4 more.
That's not 4, that's freaking 3. That's bullshit.
Hey! Yeah, you put one in your pocket.
No, I didn't. That's 3.
Oh. So, recap, Dan Kasky just put $4, $1 bills in his mouth
on my own.
that were just in my ass crack. Attaboy, Dan. What do you say, Dan? $4 Richard. $4 Richard. Happy New Year. He started 2011 off with an ass crack bang.